Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane, back with day 658 Star Drop opening. So let's see if we have anything goods. Starting with a super, 200 XP doublers. We have a sushi of 200 credits, it's pretty good. Rare 50 coins. Yeah, sushi 50 coins. And a rare 25 power points, so an okay opening. And we have a pretty wacky background going on. And we have Choose Our Destiny, the final battle for daily contest. So again, okay, I didn't think it was actually serious. Apparently we actually are choosing. Reasonably, I would just choose the mode that works best for Amber. I heard they nerfed her so that she shoots the fire further apart now at least, but again, I imagine she's probably still pretty overpowered as long as they get close to you anyway. I want to say that the Samurai Smash is probably going to be the best one. It's actually quite strange that I'm choosing, but I'm guessing everybody else also gets the same choice. But then the question becomes, if everybody chooses like Samurai Smash and only one person chooses Knockout, do they just win against bots? Like, I don't know what would happen there. Well, again, I think I'm gonna go with the. Oh, I mean, this is a pretty standard gem grab map. And Samurai Smash, I always get worried that the teammates are going to be so bad that they just give up the Daruma dolls. Also, I don't know if I choose this one and then I have to like win 5 times. I don't know exactly how this contest works. I think I'm just going to go with Gem Grab just because it's more familiar. Because again, with the spawning of the Daruma, again, sometimes you could do really well and then like the final boss spawns in, and then if the other team takes that, they might win anyway. Again, at least with Gem Grab, it's a lot more standard, I guess. And I wouldn't choose Knockout just because, again, if my teammates are garbage, then they might just end up dying anyway. And then, again, a 1v3 can be incredibly difficult. So, yeah, again, I have a lot of quests on Gem Grab too, as you can tell, so it just makes sense, I guess. I'm not really sure what is going down. Again, why there's no actual, what I'm assuming is supposed to be a leaderboard here. I'm just going to take a second to load. So choose a game mode to compete in each day. Playing a match costs 1 ticket. Again, I'm assuming I have 5 tickets. Score high, that's pretty obvious. The winning team. What team? Increase your total score with damage, takedowns, healing, and completing objectives. So again, it's not just winning that gets you a score, at least. Your teammates score as to yours. Okay, so it's that whole thing where you're not competing against your teammates to do better because all your scores combine reasonably. And there's a remaining bonus for the time. Oh, that's the other thing. Well, I guess it doesn't really matter here because everyone else reasonably would be playing Gem Grab as well, but if there's a lot of time left in Gem Grab, your score can be really high. Again, because it says it's a win multiplier. Yeah, so if you get a win multiplier on the time bonus, it can really, really boost your score. So earn sushi rolls at the end. The higher you place, the more sushi rolls you'll win. I guess that was pretty obvious. Again, I'm not. How many tickets do I have? If I click on it, oh, 4. Okay, well, I guess that's not as bad. Also, what is going on? So, I will say it was kind of nice. We still have Oni Hunt in the game, I'm guessing, until the end of this event. You don't get any sushi rolls for playing it anymore, but if you still wanted to get to, was it challenge 16 is the last one. So again, the comp I ended up using was 8 bits. Actually, you know what? Why the heck not? I was thinking about posting an actual video of this, but again, there's already so many tutorials from the even bigger YouTubers. But the strategy is pretty clear, at least on my end. You need at least one person playing Spike and then 2 high damage dealing characters. The reason you need Spike is, and I wouldn't necessarily call this a glitch, but as you can see, The spike is using the healing from super star power, and it's obviously nice that he has hypercharge to go along with it. But essentially he can just keep out healing the attacks of the Oni, and for some reason he's only using his slice attack in the corner, which is why you'll notice he's attacking in the corner, why we're helping to get the Oni into the corner. And again, despite the tremendous amount of damage we're doing with the tick heads and the 8-bit turrets, it still takes nearly the entire match to get him down. As you can see, again, we just do this the entire time. It's not exactly fun to watch either, so I don't really see a point in posting a video for just this. So we end up, again, I was being a bit cheeky in the comments of the club, but again, the other guy that posted that he beat the Oni Hunt mode on the final challenge 16, I beat him by like 8 seconds on the timer technically, because I think the tick damage was just slightly more than having 2 spikes. I think if you have a spike and 2 8-bits, which again is what I commented in the club chat, is probably your best bet, but again, you can't, even if you're playing with a dedicated team comp, you can't actively choose to have 2 of the same character, at least not as far as I'm aware, so you need to be very lucky to have that happen. But in the event selection, you also have Gem Grab 5v5, Shimmering Forests, as well as Knockout, Streets with No Name. Again, I'm just not really too familiar with those maps because I don't play them. But again, besides the actual contest, I don't think anything too special is going on there. And I want to see if they posted about this in the news or not. They did not, but again, it's probably not going to be in today's video, but at least for me, probably tomorrow's video, hopefully, depending on how far I get, either tomorrow or the day after. I'm going to post a QR code and link to get an additional 2 free sushi. Again, if I'm taking too long on this, I just advise you go to another Brawl Stars YouTuber who's doing the same thing. Again, it just helps me out a little bit on the Supercell creator end. Again, have the day 39 streak rewards. Looks like we're coming up on 10 power points. The gems you seek are closer than they appear. It's the same as yesterday. I swear sometimes it changes between days though, and I don't know why. Again, I've got about 165 sushi, and there's about a week left, so again, depending on how I do in these contests, I actually think there's a pretty fair chance that I end up getting the Oni Kenji skin. But that's the other thing I was going to say, and why I want to see if it was posted in the news, is that, again, due to the issue with the Oni Hunt event, apparently there was one after the update dropped to bounce some of the characters. Some people weren't getting their sushi again. They're reimbursed in their inboxes, but we're all just getting 2 free sushi for the inconvenience. So again, hopefully get something decent here. 50 coins. Yeah, just a straight 2, but still helpful. Okay, we got a neat wasabi sushi pin, or actually I guess that's a spray there. We have the sushi offers, of course. I think this is a new one. I guess it's actually been here the whole time. All you can eat. So where I got the ash skin. Let's just see that again, some of these offers keep coming in and out, and it's hard to tell if they're even like good offers or not, right? Again, I don't want to spend any more gems until we get close to like either the last day or just very close to the end of the event to decide whether I want to buy more sushi. If I'm really close to getting Oni Kenji but still not there yet, I definitely consider it. But I just don't want to. So again, we also have the Kenji Hypercharge. We have Moon Guardian, Crow, and Chester. We have Loaded Rico and Tengu Mike now at a 50% discount. Pretty good. But again, if you can get them for free out of the Ultra Trophy box, I don't really see a reason to purchase them here. There's some resource offers. We have a daily freebie of 5 credits, as well as 60 XP doublers. And I don't think anything else too special is going on. I am going to play the contest, of course. We'll see how that goes. Hopefully I perform well. And I'm thinking Amber is still the way to go. I'm going to try her out in the testing area. I forget what it's called. Practice hub, or whatever you want to call it. And hopefully, again, the spread isn't so ridiculous. But as of today, I have 260 XP doublers and 141,666 power points. And again, even if she is, there's still some pretty powerful brawlers, and again, maybe some that are going to be just really good for gem grabs. So again, let me know how you guys are doing, if you got anything goods, add a few or two free sushi from the, again, I'll say glitch or unfortunate circumstances. Let me know which mode you guys are choosing for your daily contests and why, which brawlers you plan to use with the Wasabi powers. But other than that, let's see how far I can take this, guys.